We're going to show you how to get the most out of GigNewton Media Exchange, some tips and rules on how to use it. The first thing you do is you start watching a video. You need to make sure that you watch for at least 30 seconds before you advance to the next video. After 30 seconds, you can move the player all the way near the end and you'll get your points. After it says successfully received points, click OK, then scroll over, hit refresh to the next video, and do the same thing. Always make sure, once again, that you listen and watch for over 30 seconds before you forward to the next video. By hitting forward to the next video before the 30 seconds, you could be penalized and points will be taken out of your account. Continual abuse of this system will remove you from GigNewton. You can see the counter on the player after 30 seconds. Once again, you can go to the end of the video and your points will come up. Always wait for the pop-up to say that you have been confirmed of your points. After you received your points, once again tap OK, go to refresh, and the next video will come up. If there's ever a video that's unavailable to watch, if you hit play and you get a notice, just hit refresh for the next video.